Hello, today I am going to teach you how to deploy a PHP application in Google Cloud Platform. The very first thing you need to have is a Google account which you need to sign in on. As I already have an account, I have signed in. So if you don't have an account, create an account. Uh, since I don't have one, I'm going to try it for free. You need to fill all this basic information. See, this is my profile. Enter your address, name, where you live, how you wanna pay, everything. I have entered my details. I'm going to start my trial. As my card is already saved, I just went through. You need to add your card details as well. This may take a few minutes because it is creating my profile with a project. See, now I logged into the Google Cloud platform. It shows that I have 12-month free trial. So you can do anything in those 12 months without paying any money. This is my first project. As you can see, every project has its own unique ID. Okay, I'm going to create a new project, and you can name it as per your requirements. I'm going to name it as CMPE 281 Labo 2. See, this here shows that your project is about to get created, and it will notify you as soon as the project is ready. Yeah, here we go. I'm into the project 281 Labo 2. You have API manager here, you have app engine. It's like all multiple tools encrypted, gathered at one place, kind of. So all these tools are used for storage monitoring, for performance monitoring, and data storage and storage monitoring. You can track everything with the help of Google Cloud, which includes various tools. Now getting back to our project. Now we have created a project. That means we have created a project in a cloud so that to store the data, but we need users need to access the application, so they'll access the application through a web browser. This is the basic file. uh, this is the app.yml file which you will use to convert it into a web app. So this app.yml file will make your app will make you access the app through web browser. See, it shows the runtime version. My runtime version is PHP 5.5. API version is 1. URL underscore dot star indicates it is public. Any user can access this. App through web browser. So I'm going to show you how to deploy this file into Google Cloud so that you'll be able to access the application through web browser. Here we go. So to deploy this file, we need to have Google SDK, Google Cloud SDK. You can download it from the same site. Here is my sample Hello World program, through which this is the content which will be displayed in the web browser. So uh, in order to deploy these two files, you need to have Google Cloud SDK. You can download it from Google Cloud platform. I'll just go through the URL for you. Yeah, here we go. uh, Google Cloud SDK. See, you can download it from cloud.google.com/SDK. It shows the installation, it shows the documentation process as well, so you will not be having any trouble with it. So as I have already installed it, uh, I don't need to go through the same process again. So here we go. uh, so this is the cloud shell. Here you need to deploy the app engine. Before deploying the app engine, the very important thing is the cloud SDK path should match with the shell path, else you will not be able to deploy the app engine application to a browser. So please make sure that it is in the same path as it shows in the shell, else manually change the path so that you won't be having any trouble kind of thing. So let me guide you through the following steps to deploy the app to a browser. Now as my path is the same, I'm going to connect my system to the server. Can do that by using the following command: gcloud init. Init is nothing but initializing the application or configuring the application. It takes some time, so don't panic. See, it shows me which configuration to use. Reinitialize this configuration with new settings or create a new configuration. As I'm going with the default configuration, I'll go with the default configuration. So if you want to optimize the configuration as per your need, can go with create a new configuration. As per now it is not required, so I'm going with the default one. See, your current configuration has been set to default. Since this is not my account, I'm going to log in with my account. See, I have automatically logged into my account. Now here I need to pick a project. One is Sublime Delight and the other one is CMPA 281 Labo 2. Since I'm showing you the demo of CMPA 281 Labo 2, I'm going with CMPA 281. See, now my current project has been set to 281 Labo 2. This 164003 indicates a project ID. It is unique for every project. So you need not worry about the project ID. You can easily find it in the cloud platform interface. See, now the setup is complete. So now we need to go to the path where our actual files are. As you can see, this is my path. This is my path. I need to copy the path and I need to paste it here. seems to be some kind of, I didn't copy it properly, maybe. Just let me just go back. Okay. Yeah, here it is. Now I just went to the file. I'm going to list the files. See, these are the files I have. app.yml will configure the application. Hello world will display the content whatever it has in the browser. So totally there are 3 files, and now I'm going to deploy these files to the cloud. Now here is the command: gcloud app deploy. It may take some time, so don't panic. See, it gave me the selection of the region. So this is very crucial in deploying your app. You need to make sure that wherever you are deploying will have the most usage. Like the app which you are deploying in certain area should be popular or most used. So I'm going with US Central, creating app engine and region. So it just creates a server for me, so that the people who are accessing it in US Central will be able to access it easily. See, now my application is created, and this is the URL through which I can access my application in a web browser. You can either do that, or you can use the following command to directly browse through the browser. You can directly see that in the browser. Just go with Y. See, upload is complete. It is updating the services. As I have selected default services, it is updating all the default services. See, here it shows, to view your application in the browser, run gcloud app browse. So let's check whether our application is up or not. See, it's up and it's running. So you may be wondering, because I have deployed, I have seen it in the browser. What if I just want to I need to change the content in the PHP file, and what to do in order to reflect those changes in the browser as well. Don't worry, I'll guide through that as well. So first, here is my sample PHP. So this is the content which is getting displayed. So let me just change welcome. Let's leave it as it is. Let me save this file. Okay, I need to deploy it again. You can use the same command, gcloud app deploy. One file uploaded, because only the one file is updated. The updated file got uploaded, so that means it matches the contents as well. So you need not worry about taking much time, because it only updates the latest edited file or updated file. Now let us just go through it again. gcloud app browse. Make sure that changes are reflecting or not. close that. See, it's up and it's running. So this is how you make changes into your existing file, and make sure to deploy your changed file. So this is how the deployment works. Google Cloud Platform works. This is how we deploy in the cloud. Now let me just give you a brief details about the tools provided in the Google Cloud. I'm going to the console. See, in the console you have been provided with various tools. For computing you have app engine, compute engine, container engine, networking functions. For storage, big data, SQL, spanner. Stackdriver is used for monitoring, and other tools for deployment, testing. So let me just give you a brief idea about Stackdriver. Stackdriver is used to monitor your data. To monitor your traffic. See, as I don't have a Stackdriver account, I'm creating an account. You don't need a card for this as well. So there you go about Stackdriver. You can use the basic information. As it has two accounts, it is messed up, so you will not have this kind of problem. So I'm just closing it. I'll just show you about other tools. The app engine will show you your status, how much hours, price, data, everything. So this is how you deploy a PHP application in Google Cloud Platform using an app engine. Thank you for watching.